Now, if you just put a little bit of water, she's like, oh, okay, I'll drink this. This is nice. That's cool. But if you put a lot of water on,
is your paw hurt? What happened? Oh, is it hurt, Sam? Sam, do you need whipped cream for your paw?
Now you're using it. What happened to your paw?
Is it hurt?
I thought it was hurt. Yeah? How's that? You show all the people you're just a big fake?
Aw, it's really small in here, guys. What's going on? Oh, sorry.